Well, early this morning before I was here, the paint occurred on the frame. Finally, we have this thing sealed up. It looks fantastic. This is a nice frame. It was very smooth to begin with, and so therefore the result is just a nice paint job. Better than new in a lot of ways. The type of paint that it is, the coverage. Even though it's boxed, we were able to shoot down in there with a nice sealant, so that looks good. These are all body mounts. Looks really sharp. So what we're going to do is these engine mounts may or may not stay because there is some transition between the gas mount and the diesel engine that we'll be putting in here. But we've just decided to seal this frame up because it's just been sitting for too long. We can cut these out, and we are going to be welding in possibly new motor mounts and or back here tranny type motor mounts as well, and then we'll just reshoot it with paint. But at least we've got it sealed up at this point, which is the really good news. As well as back here, there are some other types of cross members for transmissions, as well as a support bracket for a spare tire. This will allow us to get a rolling chassis going in the next few days, as well as get the body back down onto this chassis, which is really important to move this project forward. Again, this is the back of the frame. That was the front.